we, the leader of a platform of civil society organization, we have now make very critical amendment to a land law that would have never been engaged into a legislative process should we have not engaged the government into a policy reform process. Now the policy reform process is over. We're working on the land law. We have one very critical amendment that will change not only the law, but how people enjoy their land rights. We have a strategy. What I'm talking about is on. It's an ongoing process. We have a post-adoption strategy to make sure that having the law pass not be an end result as such. We care about making sure that, for example, land eviction, land expropriation that are made by the government, which have been countless in the past years, with people not getting any kind of compensation for their land for the land expropriation, to make sure that whenever there will be a land expropriation, that this be planned long before by the government, that this be budgeted by the government long before, that people get their compensation before getting expelled from their land. And this is something that we are preparing to make sure that this will be implemented, because we are working with CSO, civil society organization, to make sure that right after the passing of the law, right after the law will be adopted, that we will have civil society organization dispatched all over the country to make sure that in pilot areas where it is likely that there will be other land expropriation, that we have kind of fast alert system to make sure that those cases will be covered by journalists. We are busy training now to prepare the next phase of things. But what we really expect is that beyond the adoption of the land law, we strengthen the capacity of civil society organization to make possible what we have already hoped, that land eviction be a very, very exceptional measure taken by the state. That land exception, whenever land expropriation, the decision of land expropriation is made, that is followed, it's preceded by compensation. We will be able to show that. I will be very proud, and I think we will be proud to show I think this can be expected as soon as next year, that the next land expropriation to be made by this government will be the occasion for the government and for civil society to show that people who have been evicted from their land got the compensation they are entitled to.